We are on problem number 6, and we are using scale factors to find, in the case of problem number 6, find the value of x. So once again, let's point out that triangle BCD is similar to triangle FGE. So I'm going to start with BC here, which has a length of 39, and I'm going to compare that to FG, and FG has a value of 4x plus 2. If I go back to the first triangle here, BD, which is the first and the third listing in our problem, so that's going to be the 42. We're going to compare that to FE over here, and FE has a length of 5x minus 2. And what we do when we solve these, and I am going to need a calculator or Desmos, is that we're going to cross multiply. So we're going to take this times this and this times this. So 39 times 5x minus 2 equals 42 times 4x plus 2. And we're going to distribute. And 39 times 5, 39 times 5, I don't know why that's so dark, there we go, is 195. 39 times 2, when we distribute, is 78. And let me go back and put that x in. 195x. 42 times 4x is going to be 168x. And then 42 times 2 is 84. And now what we want to do is we want to combine. So solve it the way your Algebra 1 teacher taught you, but I'm going to subtract 168x. I like to move my letter to the left. So 195 minus 168 is 27. So 27x equals, because I'm running out of space, I'm going to add the 78 to both sides. So 84 plus 78 is going to be 162. And then we can divide both sides by 27. And 162 divided by 27 is 6. And it doesn't matter if we're working with triangles or if we're working with some sort of quadrilateral, as this case may be. And we just want to watch out for what we're given. KLMN is similar to PQRS. And when I look here, I usually go in order and I start with KL. Well, KL we don't have any value on. But by the way, KL and PQ are going to be proportional. But then I go to LM. So the second and the third values in this list, and Q and R. So this LM has a value of 4x plus 4. And then QR has a value of 48. So I did the first two letters, then the second two letters, so now I'm on, so the first two, the second and the third, so now I'm on the third and the fourth. So MN, well, MN doesn't have any value, but it is going to be proportional to RS, by the way, the third and the fourth. But our other side then is the KN, which is the first and the fourth piece. So KN has a value of 7x minus 9. And then PS has a value of 60. And now what we're going to do is we're going to cross multiply. This times this equals this times this. So 60 times 4x plus 4 equals 48 times 7x minus 9. Use decimals, use a calculator, but we're going to distribute here. And we get 240x plus 240 equals 48 times 7. When we distribute, 48 times 7, which is 336x, and 48 times 9 is 432. Solve it the way your Algebra 1 teacher taught you. I'm going to move my letter to the left. So I'm going to subtract 336x. And when we do, 240 minus, got to be able to see it, 240 minus 336 is negative 96x. We also need to move the 240 over to the other side. I'm limited in space, or I would do that in the second step. But we're going to subtract 240 from both sides. So in this case, it is negative 432 minus 240, which gives us negative 672. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 96 to get our value for x, and negative 672 divided by negative 96 gives us 7. X equals 7. Again, use what you're given, and actually I think I'm going to make a different video for the next couple of problems.